Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. A long weekend. That's what this show is all about, even though it's only half an hour. I hope you all enjoyed Vaz's show today, bringing you exclusive news as we always do here on the show. Well, I say we always do.
Good afternoon,
this is
good
a
evening,
new
and
service that
welcome
we've
to
just
Martyn.
added today, that we have our own news outlet now, our own news for you, exclusive. You won't see it anywhere else. In fact, I should probably rephrase that. You will see it being used by other people. They'll be sharing our news, and they are more than welcome. Already got people now eyeing up our links and using them for their own news. That's absolutely fine. We have our own news outlet, and we'll be very proud if anybody wishes to use them. So, what are we talking about this morning, this afternoon? We've only got half an hour to go before the bell goes. I am going to be here. I'm going to be linking to Wall Street in a few minutes' time, ringing the bell, and then we're going to get ready for our Friday night party as we do every single Friday night, and tonight should be a great one. So, let me just quickly invite you to tap the like button if you'd like to do that, and consider subscribing. Everyone who subscribes and becomes a subscriber or member before we hit 100,000 is in for a treat. Indeed you are. Here is the where we are right now, 82,236. It's rolling around every few seconds now, which is wonderful. Thank you very much indeed, everyone, for subscribing and doing all that. Very much appreciated. Okay, so what are we talking about? Long Friday. It's a long weekend. There's no market on Monday, and that is a concern because I said to you today the markets would go down. It might rally back, but don't buy it. Let it go. It'll go a lot lower. Can you see it going back down? Don't be surprised if we get sell-offs into the bell or in the after hours, because there's no trading on Monday. And with all that's happened with Trump today, the risk to reward isn't there at the current price of the S&P 500. This is what I'm saying. You have to buy on value, not momentum. There are momentum traders. They often lose. 95% of day traders lose. It's always below on our ticker at the bottom. So don't try and time it. You can't. You can buy the bottom, but trading on momentum and emotion is wrong. I said this morning it would go down. I said, let it go. Even though it tried to recover, it's nothing. The S&P is now expensive again. So if you're going to buy it, you have to buy it undervalue. For me, that is $494 on VU, which is a way down from here, 25%. I'm all in at that level. I'm not in above because I don't want to be losing money. We don't do losing money on this show. So we're waiting. We're waiting for it to go down lower if you're going to buy more, because it could go down very quickly in the after hours for Monday. If it does and it gets near 494, then I most certainly will be buying more. I've got currently $19,000 to buy more, and I'm already in with 400,000. So I'm very, very much invested. So the rest is just fluff and tinsel on the top. I don't need it. All right, so a couple of announcements just to give you the new services that we got here. So there's the membership link if you wish to become a member, part of the 100,000 club. There is the Robinhood USA and Robinhood UK if you want free stocks, if you don't already have them. Is our Discord service. On Monday, you will get those first training videos. It's been really busy today, people signing up for it. Absolutely great. It's free. We don't sell you training videos. We don't sell you training courses. We provide it all for free. Our Discord server is $2.99. That is not for the videos. That's not for the training. Obviously, who the hell would sell that for $2? We give it to you for free. This is just to administrate the server itself, and all the services are provided. And this is something extra we're adding on the top. And also, it's a direct contact with me. It's the only way you can direct message me. I don't respond to any other thing. So if you email me, text me, try and phone me up, none of these ways work. You have to be a premium member. It's the only way to reach me as a member of Discord. Now, this new service that we've just launched. So we now have our very own news service. Our very own news service. We don't need to go to Sky and Bloomberg and CNBC anymore. We probably will, but we don't need to. What are we talking about? We're talking about this, and you can access it and you can get more of it We now write our own news, do our own research, bring it together for you this way. So you can see here, Sensei, Vaz, Martyn, Lucas. This is our very own newsletter, our very own thing that we are doing. And you can get more of this. Now, you can see this is what Vaz was talking about a few moments ago. And we can actually put in, Vaz, are you in the chat, Vaz? We've just literally added this in the last few minutes. Vaz, are you here? Let me just check you. Are you here? Are you here? Let me just check he's here. I've also got some news on Zebek, if you're interested in that. So stand by. I know we've got a community now building themselves a community around us. So let me just see if Vaz is here before I say this. Give him a few seconds. If not, we'll move on. But this is a link to, or at least part of what Vaz was showing you as a video. I'm going to give him just a couple more seconds. If he's not, I shall move on. I don't think he's there. Okay, so we'll move on. We'll scroll down here. And you can see that this is our news. We present it to you in a very, very nice format. You can subscribe to the news. You can actually sign up for our news to get further information. So unlike you having to pay for other services, you got all your news in one place. We now provide this news so you can get more and more news all together like this. Really, really cool, right? So as we go down here, let me just keep scrolling down. This is all the news. And you can see down here, it actually links to our show that is relative for this news. So if you want to know all about this story, it also links to it directly in each segment that you get. You can subscribe to the channel, obviously. Oh, just came back. There is Vaz. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know, Vaz, if you talk to Sensei who puts the newsletter together for the show, you don't have to have the video that you were playing externally. It can be built into your segment as part of the newsletter, the news segment that we've got. This doesn't need to be an image, and then you go to another page. We're building in the video into the actual newsletter itself, like we put the show in, so people now can go and watch the show again in relationship to your news. Very, very nice, right? So if you've got the link for the video, give it to Sensei and that will be built into your newsletter. You can scroll down, see much more. You can share it. There it is. And you got all the prices. A lot more than we can actually cover in the show. Very, very good. All the way down. And then there's all the maps and petitions, more photographs. And then you can follow me on X. You can follow Vaz. You can follow Sensei. All that good. And you can leave a comment. You can share it. You can take part in the actual newsletter itself, ask us questions, and we can monitor this and then bring you updated news upon what you want to know. So a lot more is being added to this. So how do you get this? It's a brand new service. We only launched it like about an hour ago. So this is literally happening as we speak. This is it here. I'll give you the link right now. Here it is. Noted, says Vaz. Okay, good stuff. And Vaz, when you end the show, could you end with the outro? End with the outro as well, not just end it. It didn't give me anywhere to go to fade it out. All right, good. There is the link. If you want that, you can sign up. It's free. We're providing this free. This is all part of a service. We're now giving you a whole news outlet. Very, very exciting, right? There you go. We don't charge you for this. This is free. How about it? How about it? Right, now then, we've got 28 minutes to go. We are going to ring the bell in just a couple of seconds. If you want to be in on our Discord server for Monday when the first training videos comes out, Sensei will also be linking these news articles into Discord and so on and so forth. You get all of that, so you want to make sure that you're getting all that. I tried, I missed the button. He missed the button. I do it all the time, Vaz. Look, I do this. See, I do that all the time. So we've all done it, mate. If you want the Discord service, there it is. If you want to be on the first training video, not miss the first thing, so you know how to do, how to trade and so on and so forth. Very, very good. Okay, so what's going on? We've only got 33 minutes. After tonight's show, if you are into Zebek, which is ZBCN, if you are interested in Zebek, ZBCN. That's a ticker for it. Let me just type that in the chat. Let me see if we've got any Zebegedians. That is a thing. Trust me, it is a thing in the chat. Let me know, and I'll give you an update on the news and what we're doing with that. So, all right. We're also expecting a special guest tonight from Zebek to join us tonight on the party. Absolutely. Oh, hello. Our first super chat. Lovely.
RB donated $1.99 through a super chat.
Thank you very much indeed. Nice day to go to the pub. Yes, this is the love event tonight. And as I say, we might have some Zebek star guests joining us tonight. So this is the event. If you want to join us tonight, the love event, it's every Friday, 4 p.m. on the event channel. I'm the World Piano Man, and we like to celebrate this every single Friday. We celebrate your week, whether you made money, lost money, we're here for everybody. Do you want the link to the party tonight? Yes, of course you do. Here it is. So live party tonight. This is in 1.5 hours from now. There you go. And you put that in there. Live party tonight. I'll also pin it to the top. There you go. And let me make sure that this live show goes directly there as well. Here we go. I'm going to come on to the news in a second. Live next. Put that in there. And customization. Okay. Redirect. There we go. And save. Let me refresh that screen. It's not showing. Do that again. Yes, big time. ZBCN. We do have one Zabidican in the show tonight. I'll come on to that in a second then. We're getting all over this now. We were ranked #1 in the world for XRP on Google with a 60 minutes broadcast. We had more views than they did. We had 130,000 watches live. It was a big event. Okay, let's have a look at this. We've got another post here. Thank you, Adolfo Sen. Welcome to the show. Okay.
RB donated $4.99 through a super chat. Can we count that as my ticket to the bar tonight?
I've
Rolling
just
on the
got
floor laughing
a link.
emoji. I fat-fingered that.
Just got a bit of information from Sensei. Just bear with me. Okay, I've got it, Sensei. Thank you for your message. Right, good. Love is in the air. Zach is in the air. Clever Zach. Can we count that as my ticket to the bar tonight? I fat fingered it. Well, different channel. I mean, I can't really. Except I will, RB, because it's you, right? It's you. We'll make special exemptions for the fat fingers. Don't worry about it, mate. Right, okay, I'll make sure that you've got a ticket tonight for the show. Okie dokie. And your free song as well. So very, very good. Now then, let me just talk about Zebek. I had a couple of people mention it. So from our very own exclusive news source, people now share our news. We produce the news. We write the news. What's this?
Pullman to Richmond donated $1.99 through a super chat. WWW had done a super chat review for Centris.
Who's WWW? WWW had done a super chat for chat review. For chat review. A chat. I don't know what a chat review is. I'm sorry. I don't know who WWW is, and I don't know what a chat review is either. I'm sorry. I have no idea what you're saying to me. It sounds good, but I don't really get it. Sorry, I don't get it. Anyway, so we are covering Zebek. This is something we're focusing on. So this is our own original exclusive news that we do ourselves. We don't just copy from someone else. All right. So let me just give you some information here, and you will be able to get this information and add to it. There's a whole host of information that you can dive more in, but the highlights I want to speak to you about is this: the key benefits, instant global settlement. Finality within seconds, removing bank delays and cutoffs. What we liked about it this morning was the fact that They're teaming up with XRP, or at least there's a rumor that they are. And this is very, very interesting for the asset itself. Key use cases: streaming payroll, employers streaming stablecoins to workers in real time. Now, I spoke to you about this earlier, how powerful this is. If you can get paid instantly, like a tap dripping all the time, your money is flowing rather than once a month. I mean, this is a whole change. And I have a corporation, LLC, Martyn Lucas LLC corporation, so I understand about payroll. So I certainly would like for the money to flow rather than once a month. And there are benefits for that, of course, holding on to somebody else's wages. But this is the future. This is where we're going. So I covered lots of this news this morning. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom of what I didn't cover. And later on, I'll be giving you the link to this so you can pick this up yourself and go through more information, share it. You can share this information to everybody and you can use it as your media source. We now have our very own media outlet. We don't rely on others for media. Where to buy ZBCN? Zebic Networks native token, ZBCN, is available on several major exchanges. Here are some platforms where you can purchase it. Crypto.com. You can get it there. You can get it on Uphold, KuCoin. There are a few there. So that's where you can get it from. I want to talk to you about the competitive edge, what separates this asset and why we're focused on it, as DeFi composalability, CeFi partnership, Visa and Circle, real world functionality, hardware, payroll compliance. I'm interested in the payroll element. That's something that really does align with me. Positioned as a comprehensive financial infrastructure akin to a crypto-native Stripe or Revolut. The price outlook. We're going to give you some ideas now on prices, where we see this going. So we've got 24-25 bull cycle, Bitcoin 150 to 200,000. Everything, of course, relies on Bitcoin. XRP $7 to $11. That fits in perfectly what we've been saying. Well, obviously we would. This is our news. We're providing our very own news for you now, exclusive news that you can pick up and share with your friends and everybody else. $7 to $11. We're looking at a moderate 0.01 to 0.02 to $1 to 2 billion FDV. Aggressive 0.04 to 0.06. 29.30 bull cycle. Moderate 5 to 10 cents. Aggressive 20 cents to 50 cents. That's what we can see. Controversial and past issues. I'm not going to cover that today. I'm just going to give you my final thoughts, though. If you want to open up the full newsletter, you can get all of this. All right. So this is our own exclusive news. Final thoughts. Zebec is leading the charge in streaming finance, blending DeFi innovation with real-world utility. With strong backers, strategic alliances, and growing adoption, it's one of the few crypto projects bridging traditional and decentralized finance at scale. I hold some ZBCN. This is coming directly from Sensei. Sensei is the editor who writes our newsletter. I see huge potential in real-time finance, and Zebec is one of the few projects actually delivering real-world use. That said, I'm not blind to the risks. It's a mid-cap token in a volatile space, and execution will be everything. I'm prepared for both the upside and the downside. If they deliver on the Ripple integration or nail mass adoption, the rewards could be big. But as always, this isn't financial advice, just sharing what I'm actually buying, what I'm watching and why. That comes directly from Sensei, who's the editor of our newsletter. All right, let me just read this.
Mariano donated $1.99 through a super chat. Solflare wallet also. Swap USDC for it on there.
Thank you very much indeed, Steve Mariano. Now, once you get the link to this, we're just holding the link just a moment. Oh, we can share now. Fantastic. I can share now. I was waiting for the go to share. So just please bear with me. I've got, hang on a minute. I've just checked. Oh, here it is. Right. Let me give you the link now. Here is the link. Here is the link for our newsletter. Let me give it you in the chat. Okay, there you go. And if you click on that, you will be able to open up the whole newsletter with all the different stories, and you can see Zebek is on that page. Okay, so you can open up that page yourself. Now, right underneath at the bottom of the report, it says, do you hold ZBCM? We're running a poll. We want to know how you feel about this. So this is a very, very important newsletter. It's going to allow you to react with the show, engage with the show. It's completely free. It's all part of being our members here. And you can get all of this stuff. And this is a really, really exciting edition. We've just brought our own news media outlet today, and you don't need other sources. We are the news, and we're bringing it to you. So you can vote on this. Do you hold it? Share this out. If you scroll down, there'll be links. Look, you can subscribe to this and all the rest of it. Now, we just brought this one out. This was updated a few moments ago. From here, you can scroll down and you can see that you can follow us on X, and you can engage, you can share, you can repost it out, all of this good stuff. All right? Okay, all makes sense? I hope everybody understands what we've just added. It's a huge day. As we come up to our 4th year anniversary, which we are in just a couple of weeks, we wanted something this year that would just change everything and give you so much more. And that is exactly what we are doing. All right? This is very, very good. It's a massive, massive day. Right. Okay. Let's read some of your comments. We only have 50 minutes to go. We are going to ring the bell as well, of course. I love it. Let me scroll up a little bit. Zach Zay, good God RB. We got a few comments coming in. Walker wonders why earlier this morning. Exclusive news written by ChatGPT. No, incorrect. Ital, it's not written by ChatGPT at all. We do it ourselves. And Sensei writes it himself. We use technology, but we do it ourselves. It was not written by ChatGPT at all. So I don't appreciate that comment at all. You're not part of our members. Martyn, when do you see the ASML review? Sorry, I've forgotten. LEB. Let me have a look. I did all the reviews last week. I was catching up on them. Let's have a look. ASML, LEB. Unfortunately, you are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are 11th down the list because you are a $5, which is the minimum. So you are a couple from the bottom, I'm afraid. 11. In fact, you are one but last, I'm afraid. You can always jump up at any time, but for $5, we have to do it in order of Super Chat. So unfortunately, I will do more next week. I did 3 the other day. I did a couple the next day. I'm just reading Vaz's comment. And I just want to make sure that you are aware of that. All right. Mike, I signed up for the newsletter. There he goes. Mike's already done it. Brilliant. Double and check the contact address when using chain swaps. Jerry Mandarin, last call for shopping shares before Tuesday opening. That is very, very true. Jerry, yes, 100%. Steve Mariano, usually swap a tiny bit as a test and make sure it works. Always, he is trying to crush the market. Sorry for the market and us people. I signed up for the newsletter, said Mike. Okay, bloody marvelous. All right. Already signed in. Love this idea. Thanks for the work. Absolutely. We're always trying to bring better and better content to everyone. Losing time. Homicide up 70% since I became a member and urge you to show the family. Losing time. I don't know what that means. Losing time. Homicide up 70% since I became a member and urge you to show the family. Well, you didn't request a review. That's why we've got to do the reviews in order. Well, I'm happy. 2 of my stocks are back green. Thanks, Martyn, for all you do and don't do. Faz was the first to report on this news. Of course, we use technology such as AI in certain ways to make it the best for all, but we find the news and report it in our own way. That's right. Thank you very much indeed. We don't just go ChatGPT, write us a newsletter, and that's it. Of course, we don't do that. This is better than I think all news sources. Yeah. We've been thinking about this for a long, long time. It is better. It's more accurate. We check things. A lot of people just make up stuff to get out, to get the word out, to promote stuff. We don't promote anything. This is free. We're not selling training programs. We provide that for free. I mean, bloody hell, we work like 12, 24-hour days just to provide the best service, and then people come in and say that. No, really, Martyn, thank you for what you do. You're very welcome, Mike. It's a pleasure. Help yourselves and use AI. You won't find the information there. It's all hard intellectual labor. Yes, a lot of time goes into this. Sensei is now working on my newsletter, running this. It's a full-time job. I mean, he's now, quit his job to do this, working with me full-time. This is not, I just pick up my phone and make something up. This is being done full-time. This is Sensei's job. All right, a lot of investments are being made here on your behalf to provide you the best service. All right, okay, just signed up for the newsletter. All right, okay, great stuff. Vaz just said, I was up until 2 a.m. last night to deliver the information to you. There we go. Just want everyone to know that, right? I turn down on a daily basis offers of $30,000 to promote scam crypto projects, and I turn them down. I could charge $50, $100 a month for Discord for training videos. We don't. We do it for free. I don't take any money from training from projects, none whatsoever. I sit here and go live all day when I could just make silly trending videos about making stuff up. I could write my entire script with AI. I do it all live right in front of you. So that's how we are a very, very different network, and a lot of people just don't. I say a lot of people, hardly anybody, but some people don't understand that. As a recent new user to ChatGPT, I can say, whilst it's great, it isn't accurate as I expected. Exactly. That's why we do it ourselves. We'll use technology, but these are put together manually. Sensei, myself, Vaz, working all day, every day. Me and Sensei are now full-time. So there you go. How can Sensei afford to do this full-time? That is amazing. Does he make a lot from stocks? He works for me. What do you mean, Kira White? He works for me. This is his job. Sensei works for me. Top guy, Vaz. Quality news at a great work, Vaz. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. Right. 10 minutes to go. We're going to wrap this up. We're going to ring the bell. Let me just go and refresh Wall Street. Here we go. Let's get it on the screen. Let's get this up. Okay. Wall Street is up. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's bring it in. They're on a break.
Finding insurance.
There we go. We got 8 minutes to go before we ring the bell. So let's get ready, steady. Markets are selling back down again. I did try to warn everybody. Please do not buy the pump. It's pointless. You'll get caught with your pants down over the weekend. That's why I'm only buying at 494. People didn't listen, obviously, because it pumped. Think you need a bigger office, Martyn? No, it's perfectly fine here. Quality newsletter, says Canilby. And I love the way I'm set up here, but my team are all over the world. How many members do you have in total? How many members? What, subscribers? Members to what? Members to YouTube? Members to the newsletter? Members to what? What specifically are you asking me, Kira White? You can ask me anything at all. Anyway. All right. How can Sensei afford to do this full time? Because I'm investing in Sensei. That's why. I have committed to building the best, most honest, most live, most comprehensive YouTube network in the world. And Sensei is on my payroll. That's how Sensei can do this. How many YouTube paid memberships? Now, I don't mind asking any question, but you're not a member of my channel and you want to know, how much money I'm earning, how many members I've got, which I'm happy to share. However, you're not a member, so be a little bit considerate. I don't have to, I mean, how much money do you make, mate? You know, I will tell you, I have 1,200 members, but that's really irrelevant to how I structure my business and how I employ Sensei. But anyway, don't know why you're asking me that, but at least become a member if you start wanting to ask me personal questions. I mean, it's a bit... This show will answer everything. It's not like any other show where I will answer you, but, do understand you're not a member and you're asking me how much money do I earn. Well, you wouldn't tell me how much you earn, would you? I forgot to invite everyone to the Saturday morning EvToll show. I was too excited and got carried away by the news. That's all right, Vaz. I'll make sure everybody knows. Don't you worry about that. Martyn Lucas LLC is the best employer. I do believe in investing. Ask Vaz, ask Sensei, what my biggest investment is. What's my biggest investment? Ask Vaz and Sensei. They will tell you what my biggest investment is. Will there be chart analysis for ZB? Yes, there will be chart analysis, technical analysis. Absolutely. Sensei's back on Sunday. There will be technical analysis. You've already seen some. Sensei did some this morning on this morning show. You can go back and watch it. There's the replay show on the extra channel. Yes, there is. You're not working towards being the best. You already are.
RB donated $1.99 through a super chat. At Kira White with my super chats, tumbler glass emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, cool face emoji.
It is quite funny though, isn't it? I don't like auto renewal, but you can take my donation. Well, that's very, very kind of you. That's very, very kind of you. I appreciate it. Yeah, we have 1,200 members. You know how many subscribers we've got. I mean, you can see here, but I don't look at it like that. There you go.
Kira White donated £2 through a super chat. I don't like auto renewal, but you can take my donation.
The reason why we have a membership is because I'm live all the time. I wouldn't be able to be live all the time if I didn't have memberships. I could be like Graham Stepan and just make big videos, do 2 or 3 a week. I could make a lot more money and sit on the beach. But then it wouldn't be live. It wouldn't be helping you. It's just to make me money. It doesn't help anybody to make a video to make you money. This helps people because you learn and support each other by being here live. This is not how you make money. So I have to have membership. So you're getting this service for free. And I appreciate the super chat. So you need to understand that. I have to go live to do what I want to do properly. I'm not interested in just making lots of silly videos to try and sell something. That's not what I do. No interest in doing that at all. Right, let me come back to here. We've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Kira White, I've saved up for months so I can do what I love, which is providing value for viewers and members. Also, me and Martyn work together. Hopefully one day I can live off it. There we go. We've made an investment in each other. That's what it's all about. Martyn is very supportive. Yeah, I'm here supporting all of my team. That's what I always do. Thank you, just seen the message you just popped on. Martyn's biggest investment is in this community. That's right. That includes Sensei and Vaz. Sensei, crypto, thank you. Your streams on crypto and charts are very valuable. I appreciate them. Thank you much indeed. Rich man, poor man, thanks fella, says Walker wonders why. All right, 3 minutes to go. Don't buy this rally. I mean, it's already selling off. I've been telling you all day. Bad idea. But people didn't listen. They bought it anyway. Walker's wonders why. Trying. Oh, I see. Walker. I keep forgetting what WWW is. Yeah. Stephen, thank you for your message. So what was the question now? Oh my gosh, I don't remember now. What was the question? Poor man, rich man. I don't see what your question was now. Can you repeat what you just asked me? Walker what? Oh, Walker wonders why I had done a super chat for review for Centrus. Oh, that was Sensei. That was Sensei, right? And was that me or Sensei? What show was that? I don't know.
RB donated $4.99 through a super chat. It's my choice to send super chats. I don't have to. I can just listen to your advice. Tumbler glass emoji, cool face emoji.
Thank you. That's right. Okay, we're running out of time. Sorry, we had a super chat. So you're not explaining, did he request from me to do a review, or did he request Sensei to do a chart review? What is it you're asking me? Walker's what? I don't know centrist. I don't have centrist written down. Did he do that in my show, asking me to do a review? If it's a crypto, then it'll be Sensei. I've missed that. I never miss things, but obviously I did. So just poor man or Walker's wonders why would be easier. Yes, was for you. Some reason I sent it, but it didn't work. Okay. Oh, that was because I was interviewing, wasn't I? I was doing an interview with something about the other, and that's why the super chats weren't showing. Okay, so the request was for what? I'm trying my best to help. Centrist. Right. I said to people yesterday, don't do me any more super chats for reviews because the list is too long unless you're going to the top. So I did say don't do it, but you did. So, okay. It goes on the bottom of the list now, though. Centrist. I'll do it as soon as possible. I'm going to get through a lot more next week. $5. Okay. Let me make sure I know which one it is. So let me type it in so I know which one it is. Right, is this the one? Is this the one how long have I got? Bloody, I got 30 seconds. All come at the last second now. Centrist Energy. Is this the one you are looking for? Just remind me. Is this the one? Right, it's on the list. Centrist Energy. I can do that for you. Just confirm that's the right one. I've got a few seconds to go. We're about to ring the bell with Wall Street. Let's get ready.
How much the street is going to be willing to pay for this great story. And I do think that is something that you have to just test with the numbers themselves. We've heard a lot from Jensen. We've heard a lot from NVIDIA.
The bell has gone. There goes the market. Don't chase it on the way down. I warned everyone about this. Yes, mate, that's the one. Okay, I will do that as soon as possible. It's on the list. It'll be done as quickly as possible.
We're going to go out red. Certainly not even close to how we started this day.
Yeah, you absolutely do not want to be in the stock over the weekend. It's a bank holiday. Long weekend. If you're buying that now, you could end up being out of the money.
Ringing the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange, the Chilean finance minister doing the honors at the NASDAQ. Stocks closing in the red, but off the worst levels. The Dow and S&P lower for the fourth straight day. For the week, the major indices all down about 2%.
Yeah.
Treasuries
okay,
were
there's
the
the bell. Now then. Yep, and it's still going down. So there we go. Exactly as I said again. Please don't chase this. You've got to have patience, and down she goes. After hours, down she goes. You don't want to be stuck in this over the weekend. If you've got, like I am, 20% down from here, then it doesn't matter, does it? But you shouldn't have bought this morning. I said not to buy. Let it go. Wait until Monday. See where we go after the weekend of tariffs. All right, I think we're good. Let me catch up with everything now because I've got to end for the party tonight. Let me switch over to members. We got the redirect already set up. Live party tonight. There it goes. Exactly as I said. Please do not buy this tonight. Let it go. Okay, here is the event for tonight. We're going to go there in a moment. We're going to do Day Trader of the Day, stars of the show as well. And we're also going to answer all members' questions. So let me switch over now to members only. Here we go. Let me go now. So if you've got any comments, questions I've missed, you haven't seen, please repeat it and give it to me in the chat. I hope my members didn't buy this. In fact, I'm going to do a poll. This morning I said the markets would go down on this news with Trump. I said, let it go. Don't buy it. But lots of people bought this dip. Silly people. Now they're losing all their money. There you go. It's going down quick. Exactly like we said. I said, do not buy this. It's going to go a lot lower. And there it is. It's giving up in the after hours. It could go down 20% after hours tonight, catch you all out, you lose your money. So I'm going to ask a poll, and I'm hoping that my members did the right thing. Whoops, here we go. Did you buy the rally from... Did you buy the rally from the dip? Okay, now be honest. Be honest. I want to know the truth. So, there it goes. Exactly like we said. So, the question is, I'm going to do a poll. And please be honest, because I want to know if I was able to get the message out. Because if I didn't, I'm going to try harder. All right? I want to know, did you do the right thing? So, did you buy the rally from the dip? So, what I want to know is, did you buy the rally from the dip? Now, the dip was there. Hang on. Right. The dip was there. Did anybody buy on the way up? Did anybody buy on the way up? Because we can now go down about 20% on all of this, straight back down to the lows again of about a month ago. This is why I said wait for it to go down. So the question I'm asking you is, did you buy the rally from the dip? In other words, it went down and you went, oh, it's rallying up again. I'm going to buy here. When I was pleading with you not to buy. So here's the question. Did you buy the rally from the dip? Because if you did, it's the wrong thing to do. And if you did, I need to do better at trying to help people, because that was very obviously the wrong thing to do. And I was telling you all day, don't do it. So I'm running a poll. Did you buy the rally from the dip today? And I want to see. I want to see how many. Now, it's okay to be wrong. You learn nothing from being right. It doesn't matter if everyone says yes. If they do, we've got to try harder. That's what it means. Zach said, I'm sorry, I'm not listening to you, but very happy with it. I'm on about the S&P. I'm not on about an individual stock. If you made money, that's completely different. I'm talking about the S&P, obviously, you know. The broader market. I just bought last minute, next week buying more. Okay. Yes, I bought on the way up, then got out. You got out on the way up. So Alex, you're saying you bought here, and you got out before it dipped. Did you make any profit? Because I'm guessing you didn't, because time you pay tax on it, you'll lose money on that. There's no way you can make money on that. If you bought there, I guarantee you did not sell it exactly at the top. You wouldn't know what the top is. And now it's going down quickly. So I'll be very surprised if you made any money from that. But let me know if you did. Call into the show. I'll open up the phone line. You can call in. Let's have a look. I got in March 31st, 2025. That's better. I bought, here we go. It was Centrum Energy. Yes, I did that, didn't I? Centrus Energy. He told me it was Centrus Energy. I showed this on the screen. Walker wonders why. Walker's wonders why I showed you that on the screen. Is it Centrus Energy or Centrum Energy? Now, MSK is telling me I've got it wrong. There isn't a Centrum. No, I'm going to stick with Centrus. There isn't one. Okay. MSK. No, it's Centrus. I was right. Okay. I have JEPQ as well. It's all right. I'm only a $5. Happens, mate. Don't worry. Yes, mate. Okay. Thank you for all your information and your team have done this week. Try to enjoy the weekend. JEP, quite the yield. Yes. I got 370 last second. I can't feel it coming in the air. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. No rush, mate. I got you a lot. I know you got a lot on. Yes. Hi, Martin. Hi, Matt. How you doing? AJJA. In short, I'm pleased with the shares I have. Don't worry about the review. I know you. Well, I will worry about it, and I'll get it done. Don't worry. To buy the moment's quiet, the same as you in VU. Some of these small cap stocks are looking interesting. No, they're not. Small cap stocks, I wouldn't be buying them right now. Way too vulnerable. Way too risky. Do not touch the small caps. Just bought it last minute, next buying more. I learned not to after the last 2 days' mistakes. I bought a very small part, yes. Yes, I bought on the way up, then got out. I hope you got out before you went down again then. I'm sorry not listening to you, but very happy with it. I got in on March. Ellie, I bought this morning, only a few shares, not the rally from the dip. Got like 9% margin with I will use now the moment you say buy. Well, not when I say buy, come on. Added 9+%. Okay. Congratulations. Very risky move. I bought $200 worth on the market open, but that's not a lot for me. I don't pay tax. Okay. Spread bet. What do you mean you don't pay tax? Everyone pays tax. How do you not pay tax? Check the date. I got in at 508. VU as well. Yeah, that's the right one, mate. Yes, it is. Good. Got it. Yes, sorry, centrists. MSK, no need to apologize. Mistyped, it's okay. I got XRP at 190 holding and Matt. All right, so here we go. The poll says, did you buy the rally from the dip? 50 votes. Yes, 30%. Yes, 29% now. And no, 71%. Good. It was not a day to buy. I don't care how lucky you got. It's all about risk management. The reward is not there for the risk. If you make those type of moves, you're going to at some point lose and you're going to wipe out all what you've just made. You cannot buy on these valuations, on this momentum and this uncertainty. The risk to reward is not there. This was not the right time to buy. This could go down a lot more after hours tonight or in the early hours of Tuesday morning on the overnight. You want to get the best price possible, not buy into weakness. This is not a good idea at all. Anyway, there you go. It's up to you what you do, though. Right, we're going to wrap the show. It's selling off very, very quickly. It's going to gain momentum, keeps on going. It could go down 20%. We could have a major crash before Sunday, before Tuesday. We're not here on Monday, of course. All right. So anyway, I've done my best. I tried my best to help people. That's it. We're going to wrap this show up. So here we go. In the UK, you don't pay tax on bets. Okay. Bets, but we're talking about the stock market. What are we on about? I don't know what bets are. I mean, is that some kind of gambling? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. So you've got me there. Unless you bet through your company. Unless you bet. I don't know anything about that. I'm just talking about buying the stock market today. That's all I'm talking about. Anyway. Going down quickly. Right. Live party tonight. Let me get out of here. Let me give you the link again. This is where we're going right now. He does spread betting, not trading or not trading. Oh, that's not, yeah. Okay. Not trading or investing. Okay. I don't know anything about betting. Why would you do that? Why would you gamble on anything? I don't know. I bet point up or so you bet point up or down. Well, that's just gambling. You're not buying a business. You're just gambling. Okay. That's great. But I don't want to encourage anyone to do that. That's like let's all go to the casino and pick red or black. That's the house always wins. Good luck to you, Alex. But I don't want to encourage that. I don't encourage anyone to bet, gamble, guess. I'm really against all of that. I wish you the best, but it's not what I want to encourage people to do. Yes, it's full on gambling. Bloody hell. Why? See, now LEB is going, oh, what's spread betting? LEB, don't pay any attention. You don't want to know. You don't want to gamble. You don't want to bet. You always want to win. Gamblers, 99% will always lose. Today, Alex got lucky. Alex has lost a lot on this show. He's told me. So he got lucky today. and I'm really happy for him, but I don't want anyone to think, oh, I think I'll have a go at that. No, right? I'm not going to promote that. Okay. All right. So we're going to get ready for the party. Here is the link. I put it in the chat. This is the event over here. That's where we're going. It'll automatically take you there. Ellie B's laughing. She says, yeah, I do. I want to know all about it. No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't want to know all about it. Let me go back to subscribers. Not on my show. There's loads of channels that will promote anything, and I'm not doing it. Over 1,000 bets this month. Oh, my God. I'm sorry, Martin. I love the... I know you do. And I know you do, but most people lose money. I don't want to help. I don't want to support that because the house always wins. I try to encourage people to own the casino, not play the casino. I know it's fun. I don't like it, but I know a lot of people do. I'm not trying to discourage it, but I don't want to go to bed at night thinking I help people lose their money. I want to go to bed at night knowing that I help people win and stay winning and always winning. I don't want to be worrying about people betting and gambling because they watch my show. Absolutely not. I'd rather turn the camera off and say, good night, I'm out of here. Zach, it's he, not she. Oh, Ellie. Oh, sorry. I beg your pardon. Did I say she? I thought Ellie was a girl's name. I'm sorry. Is it Eli? I'm terribly sorry. I was in that 29%. 764 out of 1,000 were closed in profit. Well, that ain't very good then, is it? 764 out of 1,123 trades were closed in profit. Well, how's that good then? So you lost over 70%. No. You won 60% of the time. Yeah, but you lost 40%. So you're back where you started, aren't you? I'm just saying. Still, I don't know. Still think Nvidia. Yes, I do. Why with down stake? With down stake total, just winnings now. Yes, NP. Yes, you say it's good. You say it good. Eli. Okay. Stake totally withdrawn, so I just betting with winnings now. Yeah, but that's your money you've made. If you're making money and you're betting what you've won, then when you eventually lose, because the odds are you will, the money you started with has gone down because you haven't made any money. Because inflation would dictate that your money that stays the same, your stake, is worth less because over time your money is going down. You don't win. I don't care what anyone tells me. You don't win by making a living out of trying to gamble. Absolutely not. Unless you are the 1% who win. I'd rather own the casino. It's like going to the casino to play your favourite game, Wheel of Fortune, playing Buffalo. Zach, it's fun, but I go with a couple $100 in my pocket, expecting to lose it. Most are saying, Eli, it's kind of so funny. I am big guy. It happens often. They call me shit. I'm sorry, Eli. My favourite is the cows in space slot. My God, you're just turning it into a joke. I don't want to turn losing money into cows and jokes and what the hell. Right, I'm going to get out of here. I've got to get ready for my music show. I've not even started preparing for it yet. And we are behind time. I'm not normally here at this point. So, bit of a rundown for you. Tomorrow morning, live on the show, opening bell time, same place, same channel. Tomorrow morning, Vaz is going live with a special for you. Very exciting. Tomorrow morning. That is the Saturday morning show with Vaz. This is a new show. We're starting this now, right? Saturday morning. Every Saturday morning. Then we have the Sunday show, Sensei, doing the open, going into the open, except it won't be the open this Sunday because there's a bank holiday. Monday, there'll be no shows. It's a bank holiday unless Sensei wants to go live, but the US market will be closed. So I won't be going live on Monday. I take bank holidays off. because they are the only breaks that I have. So Sensei might be live on Monday. He might be not. That's up to him. But I'll be back Tuesday morning for the opening bell after the Tuesday morning breakfast show. Everybody good? Everybody happy? Okay. Did everyone tap the like button? Did everyone click subscribe? I do hope so. We are done. Let's see if we got a couple more subscribers. Where are we? 82,252. Wow. Very close to 100,000 now. I can't wait. It's going to be really exciting. Get that silver plaque on the wall just there. It's going to be pretty cool, right? Is Disney a good stock to own? I see the share price is almost the same as 10 years ago. It's a different business now, though. I would need to redo an analysis. If you type in Martyn Lucas Investor DSY, is it DSY? You'll see this. Put the stock ticker in. You'll see my analysis on it. I've done one relatively recently, not too recent. All right, that's it from me. We're going over now to the party channel. We could have a special guest tonight from Zebek Network. We're hoping they'll come in. We shall see. Very good chance of it. That's it from me. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here. Look out. Join me now on the party channel. We're going to have a few beers, have a laugh, have some fun. That's in 40 minutes' time with hopefully our special Zebek guest. And then we have our show on Saturday morning with Vaz. We have our show on Sunday afternoon with Sensei as always. And then I'll be back on Tuesday. No show from me on Monday as it's a bank holiday. But Sensei might be doing a show because crypto never stops. That's his main bag. And of course, the UK market will be open, I would assume. So Sensei might be covering that. I will not be live on Monday. That's it. Everybody good? Did I answer every question after I gave you the chance to come back? I think I did. Right. Time for Day Trader of the Day. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shadoo-dooby-doo-boo. Time for the trade today. I'm down 1.5. How are you doing today? Shippy dooby, shoopy dooby doop. Shadooby doo woo. I said shadoo doo dooby doo woo. I said doo. Shadooby-doo-woo. Roll the credits. The stars of our show today. Sheep-dooby-doo. Subscribers, Fleming, Andre, Adolfo Sen, Super Chats, RB, Poor Man, Rich Man, Steve Mariano, and Kira White. These are the stars of our show today. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate you all. Who won today? I'm down 1.5. Hardly at all, right? Up 0.2. Down 1.8. Is Brian Bynum going to be the winner? Down. Jay Dubaya. Vaz down 1.8. Brian is up. RB is down 2.53. Sam Dirks down 3%. Shooby-doo-doo. Shidoo-doo. Shidoo-be-doo. Up 0.23. Oh, he just goes into the lead. We're going to call it a win. We're going to call it a win. Zach Zay, thank you much indeed. Thank you very much for your trades. Oh, yeah, give him a thumbs up. We love it, loving it, loving it. We're loving it like that. There you go. Time to go over to the party. I'm out of here. This is where we're going live right now. It'll take you automatically there. The link is pinned to the top. It's also in the chat. Come and join me. Have a beer. We might have a Zebek special guest. Join us. That's it from me. Doobie-doo-boo. Eddie Puckett says down 0.5. Our winner was Zaxay. That's it from me. What a great day it's been today. These were the headlines on the show. We've got Apple, Samsung tariffs coming by the end of June. Trump says, oh my God, he's literally going to tariff an American company. Best thing you could possibly do. Tariff decisions influenced by last person to whisper in his ear. Shoot, beat, doobie, doop, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-doobie-doo-wop. Yeah, all right. Okay. There's our show today. EU, Apple, crypto, fears, rate cuts. It's your time and cash to go. That's what today's show was all about. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm out of here. Join me now on the party channel for a party and grab a beer. We could have a Zebek special guest. If not, see you Saturday morning, Sunday, and then through to next week. Not back on Monday. Good stuff. That's it from me. Have a wonderful evening. Join me live now in just over half an hour. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.